If you are trying to find errors in Linux, use this command. This finds every line with error instantly. See that the word error are all in lowercase. This is how you search logs or files very fast. Another command you could use is this. You want to find only errors and not everything. Sometimes you want to ignore case. Here is the command to use. Now we can see errors both in uppercase and in lowercase. Sometimes you want to search multiple files at once. And here is the command. This might take a bit of time depending on how much files you've got on the system. That's the output. If you check the video on the right hand corner, at the top, we are going to see other filters that we have already used as well. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share? Thank you.